Hi, good evening, guys. Anyway, today I wanted to unboxing since I purchased items from mango.com, Malaysia Mango. So I received my parcel today. Let's review. So right now, this is the box that I received. So I bought like a few items from the Mango, the online store, since that they have promotion, they have discount too. So why not get things from there? So let's start with unboxing. So guys, let's open the box. Tak sabar, excited kan? So let's open and check it out. Look! And then dia bagi this kind of like memo. More than ever, thanks for being by our side. Hashtag mango together. This is my receipt, so I kept that put aside. So this is all the items yang aku dah purchase. It's quite cute, right? So we need to review one by one. So hopefully everything is very cute. Okay, we review one by one. First item will be the mini bag. Actually, I got it like macam 3 different colors. So this is one of the color. Let's see one more. We have the orange one and the gray one. So every each of the bag they have like macam different effect. So this one will be the lizard effect. Okay. And the other one will be the Croco effect, which is in orange color. Very cute kan? Mini, so mini. And the last one will be like macam those synthetic leather, but it's in green and gold metal hardware. Okay, so let's check it out one by one. So let's open it. So this is first time aku purchase dekat mango.com in Malaysia punya website. So korang pun boleh check out. Okay, the bag is very small. So kalau macam gini, korang boleh letak those kind of like cards, but you have to like macam get it those like card holder ataupun you know you have like macam small pouch you can put it inside. So this is the review of the bag. So also together with the sling. Okay, it's quite worth it because I think it's not that expensive and it's not that cheap. It's like affordable price. Korang boleh beli. Dia punya craftsmanship also not bad. Like it. It's quite nice review, right? Dia punya sling. So sling dia boleh adjust as you can see. Okay, so I like the part of the, I mean like the punya design is very unique. Okay, because they have like easy to open it. So next one will be the orange color. Those like Croco emboss. Okay, we put it plastic. So this is Croco. So see, same, very soft. I think synthetic leather, something like a PU, but very convenient, it's very small, so you guys can boleh macam use it for like apa, outing, or maybe try to mix and match with any outfit. And the last one will be the green. So we just try to open it. I think we have the little. Wow, I really like it when you open all this unboxing together with the sling. Sama material, but this kind of material is a bit like macam a bit shiny. See, but it's nice. I mean, nice color, good craftsmanship, and it's very nice. Okay, so here goes the bag. Let me put it all together. So sorry, it's a bit messy, tapi this is all the bags. Okay. Okay guys, next one will be the waist and sling. So they have two waists. So dia boleh gunakan dengan dua cara. Okay, this one is in embossed crop. Okay, let's open up and check it out. So I got this one in this very dark color green. So korang boleh tengok. So this is how the bag looks like. Okay, the bag is very nice. Okay, they have handle also. They have two different ways to use this bag. So korang boleh gunakan as sling, and you guys can use it as a waist. So it's a good convenient bag, and this one can put like handphones or small pouch, or maybe your purse or wallet, and then can use it for like macam those, like if you don't want to carry big bag, kalau yang korang tak suka carry big bag, so you can carry this kind of bag. It's very nice. I really like the color because I saw it in the website, and it include the tag and everything. This is very nice. The texture, color dia punya craftsmanship is very nice, and see the embossed croco. The feeling of the bag is absolutely cool. I mean, like, fantastic. Semua is unique and everything. So this is the second part of the bag. Okay. Next one will be this bag. They call it as like apa? Ada nama dia. It's like macam tie the knot bag. It's very cute, soft material leather, or maybe PU leather. Very adorable. Sedap. I mean, I say it's very cute shape also. And then you can see from the inside they have a very big space. Boleh letak a lot of things inside, and I like it how they pack all those things together with the sling also. So korang boleh put a sling on each side. They have dia punya ni loop there. So the bag, I get it for black color, and I also have the light color. They call it light green, or maybe like, I don't know how it's called, but it's like light mint green. So this is the bag looks like. Cantik kan? I know it's like you guys were saying like macam it looks like a girl's bag, but actually guys can carry all this too if you are very fashionable or you confident with it. I think I do confident to carry all this because I like small bag nowadays, because dulu memang I really have those kind of big bags and tote bags and everything. But I think, why not I try like small bags, so easy to me to carry, especially when you guys go for a trip, a vacation, like overseas couple. It's not very, you know, when you carry those like big bags, right? It's very complicated. So why not try something that is small bag, so you can just put your passport, wallet, handphone, those coin pouch and everything. I think there's no problem to carry all these small cute bag. So this is 2 bag, same design, call it tie the knot on the top of the handle, and it's soft material, it's PU leather, 2 different colors that I choose, and I get it both, and I really satisfied and really like it, the bag so much. Okay, so we go to the last bag. Okay, this is my last bag that I have, that I purchased from mango.com. So this is macam those like bucket bag, you know, like I think the designer brand, they call it like Jacquemus. They have this kind of design, but they have like different type of the model. So let's check it out. On the back, they have buttons on the top of the handle, so like that, it's clip, but they also have like macam small pouch here, so it's not removable, but you can put the items here. So one thing I like about this bag is about the macam, you know, very broad, small. It's actually, it's a mini bag, but doesn't look like mini, but to me it's like a small shape. Micro mini is just now, so macam gini is like, it's quite nice. I like the shape of the bag, and it's very spacious also, not so big, but it's just nice. You can put your wallets, you can put a lot of things, and the shape is like macam carry those kind of like shopping tote bags and everything. So they have their punya sling together with it, so you guys can just put on the side, each corner ada dia punya loop. Okay, so there's zip inside. So this is inside is actually like sort of like cloth material, so I think it's very nice. They combine together with the cloth and also synthetic leather, so it's like that. So together with the articles and everything, so I really like the bag. At first actually they have 2 different colors. They have olive color, but that one sold out, so leftover yang tinggal adalah brown color. So this is what I get. So I know some of you guys think that, oh, this is gonna be like macam women's bag, and how are you gonna carry this kind of bag? Actually, this one can make it sling. That is the best part, because now these days men's are more likely creative on doing like most like fashion editors or maybe fashion bloggers. They like to dress up, and especially me too. I like to dress up with all these bags with some of my outfits and everything. So at least if you want to dress up as like, I mean, like some of you feel that, oh, we should dress up macam mix and match dengan designer brands and everything, all the luxury brands. Actually, there's no point. You guys can buy like those affordable brands, like cheap brands like Mango and everything, or maybe like they have like Topshop and everything. Then you guys can mix and match. It does look stunning. It would go very well if you know how to dress up and know how to carry it with it. So for my advice, all this bag, actually, it doesn't matter whether you're a woman or you're a man, you guys boleh pakai. So to me, I'm not scared or anything. For myself, I'm confident in carrying all this kind of bag because it represents your personal style, you know, your personality, your style. So for me, this is how, you know, people like to choose their own style. Okay, so guys, this is all the bags I have to review today. I know it's like a bit too much, but for me, as my own personal reference, but I really like it, the design and everything, so I want to get it for myself. As you know, I like to you know, dress up with a lot with accessories, maybe different type of shoes, maybe different type of colors and everything, so I like to mix and match. So this is my review on all the bags that I purchased from Mango. Hope you guys like it. So give a thumbs up if you guys nak comment, atau maybe you want to share about your own personal styles, or maybe what kind of bags that you really like it, or maybe you want to purchase all these items. You can go to mango.com. Okay, if you stay in Malaysia, they have a mango.com Malaysia, and to be honest, they really deliver the items very fast. So I really puas hati with the customer service that they give and everything. They will really entertain you. So thanks a lot for watching on my video. So you guys can give a thumbs up on the video. You can share with your friends, and the most important, please click the subscribe button. And see you next time on my second video, guys. Maybe I can review more on bags, maybe shoes, because all this is about my channel. Hope you like my channel. So I need your feedback too and comments. So hope to see you guys on next coming video. Hope you like it. See you next time. I'm see you next time, guys. So sorry.